Good morning, guys. Today we are working on my friend Ernesto's Pro4X. We're going to be putting on a Z1 bed rack. So with this bed rack, he'll be able to put on a rooftop tent that we got for him on Facebook Marketplace. Just constantly lowballing people, and when someone finally took one of the lowballs, but right now we can't put on his truck because he doesn't have the bed rack installed yet. But this is, I think, a top oak right here. It's a wedge tent, folds up and everything. I'll put a picture on the screen for how that actually looks like. But we can mount it to my vehicle right now. We went up to Ontario, picked it up and everything. But yeah. But if he decides to upgrade tents, I'm definitely going to be taking this one for myself. So this is the Z1 Offroad Bed Rack. Just go and flip through a few pictures real quick. And so we're going to try to install this tonight onto the Pro4X. All right, guys, so we have everything laid out. We got the sides. We have everything right here. We're going to start with step one, looking at the instructions. All right, guys, so for the second step of the install, we're going to take these brackets on either side. They're going to be kind of slits like that. We're just going to drop it down and align the holes and put the bolts through. So we're just going to take the bolts, put it through here on both sides. It's going to be 4. So once you do this, you know, I just have it be loose and everything. That's fine. You're going to do it on the other side as well. All right, and once you complete the first install of that one, so now it's time to do the install on the back rack. Oh, is that a little tight over there? That's okay, you just like choke through. All right, for the next step of this process, we're going to actually take the back portion, right? Yeah. Here, hand me the back. Walk it over here. Flip it over. We're gonna put this back bracket into the actual channels here, and then get those bolts right there, and put the 2 in the top, and then the 2 on the bottom. Just get it down so we can put this into the channel. Yeah. And then, all right, so now we have it set up like this. We're gonna do it on the very back. I'm gonna continue to have Ernesto doing the work on his rack. You know, shout out Adrian for always saying that he does nothing.
Nah, I do something, bro. I always do something, dude.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's how we do it right here. Try to get this bolt right in there.
While you're doing that, I'm going to just tighten these, just because they're not gonna have to like be loosened up at all. Actually, going back on this rack, make sure this is pushed all the way and aligned with this, just because you can see there that it's not just a hole, it's a extended hole for adjustment. So just make sure. All right, here we have that assembled all together. All right, guys, so now we're going to each take a side and lift it up onto the bed of the truck. Get like one end shoulder press it, or no, we're gonna get like this end of it onto the gate, and then gonna adjust to this side, you're gonna get on that side, and put it ready? This is actually a little better than I thought it would be. So I'll adjust to this side. Now you can adjust to that side.
Oh shit. This is fucking heavy, dude.
Just get it up to your bed. Alright.
Damn.
Just slide it in.
Fuck, dude. Shit, need to work out more, bro.
Oh, shit. It went like that, and I was like, oh shit. Alright. So.
Yeah, we just gotta tighten it up.
Yeah, hold on that side. You know what? Here, get up on the truck bed. And then hold it like right here in the middle. Alright, now that we have the bed rack on, it's time for us to start putting the clamps on to keep it on. Basically what's going to be happening is you're going to take this plate with this, kind of put it on to each other like that behind it, take this, put it up, slide it under here, and then put this through the hole.
I'd say like do one side first, but don't tighten it up yet. Just a little bit, that way you can turn the other side.
There we go. I don't know why it gave me such a hard time, but now we got that one right there. Now we're just gonna do the last one, and then we have some other accessories. All right, guys. So now we have it on the truck and assembled. We even put the side MOLLE panels on. That's what Ernest is doing right now. So that's how it sits currently. All right, here I have it like more lit up for you guys. So yeah, that is the install, and later on we'll have more videos, whether we put like the light bar here or accessories on the truck. So yeah, so let's just kind of go around my homie's car right now to see what he has. So he has a Z1 bed rack right now with the Nismo roof rack. He got some Auxbeam top lights with these dish lights as well. He got it all professionally wired by his uncle and everything. Yeah, I don't really have the best of lighting right here. But yeah, dude, it looks sick, but you know, American flag.
Oh, it's getting there.
How do you feel right now?
I feel fucking good, dude.
I still think you should have got a Tacoma, bro.
Yeah, I know, but it was out of my budget range.
I feel that, bro. I feel that. But yeah, that's the Z1 Offroad bed rack install for the Nissan Pro4X. Hey guys, have a great day. Unfortunately, when we finished installing the rack, we realized that Ernesto would have to have a riser of 5 inches at least in order to clear the roof rack for him to actually put the top oak rooftop tent on. Picture on the screen showing the height difference, so I ended up purchasing it off of him. So this top oak tent will be the one that I will be using for my camping videos, my overlanding videos, and you'll see it on my car henceforth.